Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This thing about hiding my niche is really annoying me now. I just started filming this video, it was going really well, and then I just exposed my niche to everybody. This video is going to be a follow-up to the video that I made 2 days ago, which was using ChatGPT, this plugin here, this diagram plugin, to make kind of unique SVG images to put inside your articles. However, the way that I told you to do it by using the URL of a website with WebPilot, there was a problem with this. And I only found this out yesterday. And as soon as I find something that I've maybe given wrong advice about, I feel like I instantly need to make a video. So let's talk a little bit about what happened and how I fixed it. So what I noticed was basically a problem with plagiarism. Okay, because I just wanted the numbers from the article. But unfortunately, what ChatGPT does is then it just rewrites the article with the same words and just maybe like gives you the numbers in a different format or whatever it is. So I'm going to show you how I found that out by showing you a free way to check plagiarism. What you can do, and I guess a lot of people know about this, but maybe some people don't, is I don't have an example from my new website, obviously, so I'm going to be using two men in this video because I don't want to ruin my niche, which I just did, but that's fine. So let's copy a little bit. You can copy an entire paragraph, or you can just copy maybe a sentence or two sentences, whatever it might be. And I know this is unique already because what you do is basically you go on Google, you do one speech mark, and then you do Control V, and then you do another speech mark, and you press enter. What that does is it basically will show you anything that has that exact phrase in it. So interestingly enough, this seems to be also appearing. Oh no, this is the journal. Okay. So because this, the article that we're talking about is here, it's also coming up on Google because the excerpt from this article is here, but that's not relevant to what we're talking about at all. So yeah, I found this out today, and I found out that ChatGPT was plagiarizing from another website. And because I am currently a new website that doesn't want to make any tiny SEO mistakes after I made a few tiny SEO mistakes with two men just for the content, because I'm not really doing this one for content, I want to keep everything absolutely perfect. And for me, having duplicate content from a direct competitor is a terrible look, and yeah, that's why I'm making this video today. So what I'm going to suggest you do instead, and before we talk about that, I'm just going to show you another plugin. This plugin here, Draw, is absolutely insane. It creates flowcharts, okay? So that is two different unique like visuals. We can have flowcharts, we can have normal charts, we can have pie charts, and then just because I've got your attention potentially at this point, I'm going to give you a little tip as well. What you always want to be doing is breaking down walls of text, okay? So auto-blogging AI, even though I think maybe like the actual output is fine, the fact that it's just wall and wall and wall of text, okay, is not very good. There are some lists, I will give them that, and there are, there's other things. However, what you really need to be doing is breaking up walls of text. So pie charts, tables, for example, is a really good one. Lists, ordered or unordered, quotes, bold, italics, all of these different things, they serve two purposes. Number one, they will keep people reading the article for longer because they're visually appearing and everyone reacts to visuals. And the second thing is it gives more HTML for Google's crawlers to read. It's the same thing with FAQ schema, for example. The main reason FAQ schema actually works so well is because it's just basically more content and more HTML for the crawlers to read. So what I've actually been doing recently, and I'm going to show you this exact process right now, I'm probably going to use the same example of hunting license prices. So my niche is very United States based. I did that on purpose, okay? It's not hunting, it's something else, but we're going to be talking about hunting in this video. But one thing you can do when you're talking about states and something that has like a legal question about it is you make all of those pages. So what I've been doing is I've been making individual pages for each of the states. I did that for how much does my niche cost in that state, and then I've also done like the legality of things in that state. In all the states, okay? So that's 100 pages because there are 50 states. People are always writing to me and saying, why isn't my website ranking? The first question I ask them, or the first thing I do, is I check how many pages are indexed on Google. This is so, I'm going to edit this video because I just ruined my niche again, but I like how this video is going, so I'm just going to edit it out instead. I just did it again. This is so frustrating. But basically, 3,210 results on Google. Okay, that's for 2 men. This is a website that's under 6 months. No, it's like 8 months now, I think. I'm not 100% sure how old it is. It was November last year, I think. So maybe 7, 8, something like that. But a new website, the most people, when they message me, they have a new website and they say, oh, why am I not ranking? I need to rank. The SEO company that I'm paying isn't doing anything, etc. I mean, the SEO company probably isn't doing anything, but the main thing is how many pages do you have on Google? Are you indexed on Google? Are you getting indexed on Google? When you write a new page, does it get indexed quickly on Google? Have you verified your Search Console? Have you submitted your sitemap to Search Console? That's the most important thing, creating content. That's why most people fail when they create a website, because creating content sucks. I've been kind of enjoying it over the last week, but generally speaking, it does suck, and it's very time consuming, even with ChatGPT. Anyway, let's get into the method for this video. And what we're going to say is, how much does a hunting license cost in Montana? Give a breakdown of all the different types of hunting licenses and their prices. So what this does, I really want some unique content that's, instead of taking the exact words from these websites, what Perplexity does is it already puts it into its own words. So then we're going to hop over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to say under this, I'm just going to copy and paste. Another thing you can do, by the way, is if you want to add a bit more content, you can like click one of these, one of these, one of these. I would recommend doing that as long as you don't go too specific, okay? So like this would be a good one, definitely, for sure, and this would be a good one. But the middle one, for me, elk hunting license, like it's too specific. That should be an article on its own. But anything that's kind of general would be perfect for this. So you should click these two as well, but I'm not going to do that for this video. Then what I'm going to say is, using the information below, firstly, create a flow chart. Flow chart doesn't really work here, but I'm going to say it anyway just to show you, but it doesn't really work here that well. Flow chart, then a normal chart, then a table. After that, using Markdown formatting, write an article and try to include all of this. I want to say HTML, but someone flamed me once for using the word HTML and Markdown together. But I mean, for me, it just makes sense. I don't know why. Markdown kind of is a HTML, so I'm pretty sure ChatGPT will understand this. And then all you do is press enter, and this should write an entire article. Okay, obviously plugins are down. God damn it. So look, I can't really show you this example, but this would have worked perfectly. And I will show you the article that I did release today using this method. So if I go on iSuit, click on blog, how much does a suit cost in 2023? What I did was I thought of like a good article that made sense to have charts and tables and charts and tables. You can see exactly what I've just shown you. You can see it in action right here, but unfortunately I can't show you it live just because they're down right now. But what this did was it allowed me to get loads of links, internal links. So this is a wool suit link. This is a cotton suit link, even though, cotton cashmere, perfect. This is a silk suit link, etc., etc. And yeah, I just really, really liked this. I really like this kind of article, and I think this will rank quite well on Google. I wonder if it's actually on Google yet. So we'll have a little look. Let's do this live. Yes, it is live. Okay, it's on Google already. I'm going to do a quick test. How much does a suit cost in 2023? Let's see if we're here. No, that's not it. No, this is the one I wrote, yeah, a year ago. Okay, I got really excited when I saw that, but yeah. Okay, that's going to do it, guys, and I hope this helps. And yeah, I'm sorry that the plugin didn't work. We'll just try one more time, but I'm guessing it's not going to work. Okay. I'll see you very, very soon with the course. It is coming. It's almost there. I just need a few results, and we're getting indexed very, very well. We got 54 impressions on our 48th hour, like 24 hours to 48 hours. So I'm very, very happy with the results. We'll see how that goes, and I'll see you very, very soon. Peace out.